Can you use Canva AI Style Transfer feature? Well, the answer depends on your availability. This feature may not be available on all accounts and usually requires Canva Pro as well. So in order to use it, you want to simply open the Canva application. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply open an existing project or create your new project over here. And once you're inside the project, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the photo. And by doing so, you'd be able to see an edit options over here. And inside this edits option, you'd be able to see an option called Style Transfer over here. And if you have the premium version, you'd be able to see the style transfer option. You want to simply tap on that, choose an art style or upload a reference style if that is supported as well. Tap on apply or generate and wait for Canva to process the image. By doing so, you'd be able to use the Canva AI style transfer feature. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.